I'm gonna get straight into this trade recap session. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and we are getting closer to the end of the month. I've been starting to try to get busy with swing trading with crypto, and getting more active with my portfolio, just to see where I can get profitable trades on a larger time frame other than day trading, so like intraday trading and all that other shit. Anyways, let's get into the day. Let me see. I can delete. I'll keep it. This is some of the stuff we didn't really use. It was just a lot more simple. All right. So going into the 15-minute time frame. Well, daily is noise. My opinion, daily is noise. I just marked out this this wick on NASDAQ to see what price wants to do. We're stuck in it. It's been like 2 days of just chilling in it, 3 days now. So I was kind of loose biased, but then I realized, going into the session, that the market, whereas our midnight opens around here, we've been dumping since our midnight open. 8:30 was right here, and we have been dumping. What has been the common occurrence of this week so far? Sell side in an order block. Sell side, look, we have sell side with a swing low that goes higher. Order block right here. We break structure with this candle, so order block breaker or whatever. Then we have what's called this sell side right below it. Let's look here. What do we have? Order block right here. What do we do? Sweep sell side in an order block. Go higher. What do we do on Monday? There is no order block, but it's there on different time frame. So right here's our order block. Come up, sweep the low, tap in this order block, go higher. It's kind of crazy. So let's go to 1 minute. On the 1 minute today, we opened on NASDAQ right here, 9:30. Big old up candle, and then we closed downwards. Just give me a second. Let me finish recording this shit. Alright, that's real slow. Wait, did you separate your shit?
No.
I'll separate it. I'll find it. Anyways, man. So here we go. What am I on? Okay. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Alright. So keep in mind, on the day I was bullish. We're below our 8:30 and 12 o'clock time level. And I'm like, alright, this is looking good. The only thing I'm kind of surprised about is not even that. Going into the market, I was like, I want to see us push up bullish pretty quick because of how far we dumped pre-market. So on NASDAQ, we decided to take out the low, keep going lower, and not with throwing in an SMT. But now I'm getting ahead of myself. So right here, we get this push up. I'm trying to think here. What was the other SMT? Okay, yeah. Hold on a second. So when we took, this is give me a second. Alright, screw that SMT. Does not matter at this point. So going into, what's it called, 9:30, we open, and I'm looking for longs immediately. I want to see us push higher. We have that SMT that got put in basically right off open. Shemaine took the same trade on NASDAQ, but got stopped because it was weaker in this situation. But we took sell side, and then that's when I went to ES because we were bullish, more bullish on ES than NASDAQ. So I was like, all right, this looks good to go longs. I want to see us basically start to move higher. Then right here, immediately right after the SMT at 9:32, we get that double fair value gap. I wait I don't take this immediate entry just because I'm still hesitant. But once we get that reaction, I take the long at that candle close, and then we basically throw on twice. So we compound in this candle, stop loss below this fair value gap, and then put on a couple more right as soon as we take the high, and then we came back consolidated and then moved higher. There was no issues with this pyramid here just because of the fact that I was expecting price to sweep this high and go crazy high, not for NASDAQ to come lower and then go higher. So I was not expecting another SMT to pop in just because we had that one on this larger time frame. If I go to 15 minute over here, sorry, oh, that's 9:5. Oh yeah, I'm looking over here. All right, but hold on. Right here, we immediately get that SMT as soon as we open. So I'm like, okay, perfect, looking for it. NASDAQ wanted to do a lower. ES was way more bullish, so we took out that the high, and then that's what kind of prompted us to manipulate lower, take a little bit of sell side, put in the SMT, and then buy. But there was no entry after this SMT. I couldn't find anything. Even the 30-second, there's nothing. 1 minute, there was nothing. Potentially on the 5-second, but I don't know. That might be a little crazy. So we have 1, 2, 3, yeah. So nothing on the 5-second. No, that's my original entry. Like, see, 5-second on ES is just chop. Like, you can't trade this. So yeah, this is the SMT. There's nothing here. Nothing here to trade off of. Fair value gap fill, boom, fair value gap, third fair value gap, no entry on that. That's just barcode. Can't even really look at that shit. So yeah, and then this was the buy, and then that's the break even. Not much we could do. I was parched. Not much you could do. Clear bias on the day. Yeah, it was just kind of fighting, and then an ES closing bullish in this 15-minute even gave me more conviction that, like, we might get a retracement and then I could find something, but I just could not find a trade. So I had to accept the fact that it was going higher. Just because my strategy relies on stop loss placement and RR. So, like, I'm not going to enter willy-nilly. Like, I was thinking about it on this 3-minute time frame with this wick. I was like, this is how old me would play. I would do this. And do something like that, but it's a 1-to-1, and I was like, this is not even my model, not my strategy. I'm on from that. So yeah, we can get moving. 1, 2, 3, 4. So inverse this one. I guess that you could have found an inverse fair value gap setup on the 2-minute as well, and that would have been pretty nice, to be honest. But that would have been the entry, and then you would have got stopped. So it's not worth it. Not worth it. Clean day. Barely lost anything. $4. I guess this is a break-even day. This was just basically a break-even day. Made a dumb mistake, but we're at 53 or $60 on the week. Let's see what we can do tomorrow. 2 more days. I'm expecting us to move pretty bearish. Like, I don't want to be I don't really know if we're gonna be going higher. That's just what I'm thinking. I don't know. But I say we reverse right around tomorrow. ES just took this high, and yeah, we started to head lower, but we could not. So maybe not. Maybe I don't know. We'll see. Regardless, I'm gonna get off this sheet. I'll see y'all later.